Overfridge spaces are prime real estate in small homes, and with the right overfridge storage solutions, you can reclaim that area for useful, safe storage. Treat the space like a shallow pantry and start by measuring depth, height, and clearances to pick the right solution. Closed cabinets with doors give dust-free storage for seasonal dishes or seldom-used bakeware. Use adjustable shelving inside so you can reconfigure heights for tall items. Pull-down shelf mechanisms mount to the cabinet face and let you lower contents to a comfortable reach. When installing, anchor into studs or use heavy-duty toggles and test weight ratings to avoid failure. Decorative baskets work fast and look tidy, but secure each with anti-tip straps anchored to the cabinet top so they cannot slide off when retrieving items. An appliance garage extension fitted above the fridge keeps small appliances accessible without cluttering counters. Ventilate the enclosure slightly to avoid heat buildup from motors. Sliding trays are a low-cost retrofit. Mount full extension, shallow drawers on robust runners so you can pull items out instead of reaching over a hot surface. 3 common mistakes are treating the space as deep storage when most overfridge nooks are shallow, relying on flimsy baskets that slide, and ignoring ventilation needs for appliance storage. Measure depth first and choose shallow adjustable shelves or trays rather than deep fixed boxes to avoid wasted vertical space. Replace loose baskets with ones secured by straps or switch to rigid pull-out trays to prevent falls and spills. For appliance garages, leave a small gap or include ventilation slots and avoid storing heat-sensitive items directly against warm surfaces so motors stay cool and seals do not warp. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover practical project ideas for spaces like overfridge nooks. Our site connects contractors with homeowners looking for work and hosts a discussion community where people share tips, product suggestions, and installation experiences.